Good morning. Welcome to ABC123 Trader. Wow, it's been a long time since I rarely do videos anymore because I really don't know what to teach anymore. But the reason why I'm doing this video is I just want to give you a little insight about volume and how effective volume is in person's trading. When you're trying to figure out what direction it's going to go or what's going to happen. But let's do a top-down approach. So see what I'm looking at, and we'll go from there. So, well, we'll see. Maybe the market will go down today. Let's take a look here. It's going to start right away. So we only had a small pullback on the down phase here. So we'll see if it maybe retraces back to the line or not. We'll first take a look. On the 60-minute chart, it actually has passed that line, so we know that. Let me just get rid of all drawing objects. And we'll go from there. So it looks like it's trying to do a retracement. It looks like it might get up to this zone here, or it could just fire right down. We'll see within the minute or two. It is still kind of been pushing down there. But what I'm going to show you when we get going here, oh, it's actually, we're almost at market open. So we know we could have a sweep one more time, maybe down here. Right here was yesterday's vibration. Yeah, I took the trade south and I just shut her down quick. Like I always said, I only make a couple $100 a day. But with copy trading is a lot easier. You could have tons of accounts and you just take one trade for 200 and you're actually cashing in big time. So what we're going to take a look at is that market open. Let's see if it really explodes up, because we have a market maker here. We have a market maker here. So we had a big gap, and if you look at it from yesterday, see how it went down to this market maker and actually really went past that point, but at least we had a target A to target B. Okay. My first hesitation right in the beginning would be, look at all this grouping here. Okay. That's what I'd be looking at, see if it would fire up. Now, what I'm going to show you, and this is what I mean is so critical, is what volume is. This is a 5-second chart. And with the 5-second chart, we had within a minute, see how she's going down, it's spiked up, and look at this, we have the 1,000 contract here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go sell market right now.
Order down.
And hopefully I can get down for one more hit, just maybe for $100 or something. Let's see if it goes down. Did his first snap, first down, rejection. See if we can get to the $100. We had 115. Come on. Thank you. Good enough. Oh, $80. Okay. So anyways, it was a quick rejection here. I just want to do a quick scalp. And she still might be going for a while here. Now, this is from 86 to 66. Like, you think about it, this is a $400 move on a regular contract. But what I was trying to get to you originally is, well, because we're in the morning, if you think about this, this is this yellow marker here. I haven't programmed it yet, but this yellow marker here, within 5 seconds, was 1,000 contracts it was 1,000 contracts within 5 seconds. Okay, so if you think about it, that's a lot of volume all of a sudden that got dumped into the market. Yes, we are at market open, and that's crazy. But if you look at it throughout the day, let's go to another day from yesterday. Now, what you will see is when the markets are hammering, here's market open. This is at 15-minute mark. See, the 500. This is the blue ones. The purple ones I made was just if it's 500 contracts or more, and it was hammering. Another 500 pop. Maybe you could do a reversal trade. Another 500 pop. But the reason why I'm saying that is this is what the algorithms are trying to do for punching. Now, what you'll notice at certain times of the day, once you start peaking out, why are we retracing? Even though there was so many 500 contracts being dumped out, it will eventually, once you get to the right sweet spot. Did it go up all day? I didn't even pay attention. Yeah, 12:18. Another kind of a critical time. But what you'll notice is if you ever see, usually, let's see if I can find it here. There we go. This might be a perfect example here. See around 12:30, there was over 1,000 contracts dumped, and see how it retraces? And then it did one more time, dump again. Once you start seeing a super high volume, many times it's usually pretty soon there will be a reversal. And as you can see here at 11:25, see it was going down, down, down. Then they did a volume spike up though, but down, 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 and then a volume spike down very closely after that, a few minutes later, and look at your run. And that's what I really want to show you today. I actually should be selling. Or am I too late now? Oh, yeah, see, we got a couple markers here. We're already at a previous market open here. And 60, 50, 30. You can go to 25. Let's see if we can do just a quick pull up, and then we'll do another sell here. 36, 39. We're above there. Yeah, we can get to 25. Let them do us up, because we just hit a market open price. So I just want to let them do the rejection, come up, see where it stalls, and then we can go again. And as you can see, there was high volume in the beginning, a punch up. We're on a downtrend. Oh, this is a 5-second chart. That's why. Let's do this. Let's go back there. So we already hit. We're just breaking through. A market maker area, and maybe they'll try to do one more sweep here. We'll just give it a few minutes for them to figure it out. We're only 5 minutes in the market. Let them see if they can do a slow retracement, and then if it's another impulse move, we can go for it one more time. Just let them creep up slowly. Let's open this up a little bit more. You'd hit a pivot point area. See, it was trying to do a retracement to get on a liquid sweep here. And I just want it to retrace ever so slowly. And what I do is I watch, while I'm watching all three charts, as we know the momentum went down, but we're still within a market maker area, so we really have to watch. What I'm doing is I'm watching the sensitivity on my 5-minute chart, see if I can get within this zone and go for it one more time. Get one more impulse move in. Other than that, it could be just a retracement all the way up. Now, the last thing I want to show you is, because I do have a few indicators, this is the new volume bar that I created. And yeah, that's the new volume bar that I have created. And just so we can see if I can just scalp another. Come on, just another. Come on. Playing around with me. We're so close to get to the bottom. See what happens here. It's not playing my way. Look at it one more time. 5, 10, 20, 20, 30, 15, 10. There we go. So $210 for today. So yeah, I'm just doing a couple of quick scalps here. And because we're only 7 minutes into the market, but so yeah, the bottom line is I know I'm just rattling because I haven't done a video forever. Is what I do is I look at the general direction of the market, of course. This was a big pull down yesterday, and it looks like they'll try to do another sweep. Maybe they'll go for another sweep. We're on the sell phase. We just broke this line again, which is good. See, there it goes to 28. And it'll probably still push down today. See, high volume, red bar. Red and red means higher volume, increase in volume of selling. But I really watch the price action is key. And we're hitting a couple of sweet spots, which I don't like. That's why I'm just scalping quick. And So when I saw this movement, my bias would say in the beginning, saying, let's just give it a couple of minutes and see which direction it goes in. So since it blew market open from this price forward with high volume, it's going to continue going for a little while. And it's not as choppy as it has been before, but as we can play and work it and work it and work it. And if some people are asking, if, well, how do you do it when you pass exams? You know, you can do micros, be more patient. I'm more of a scalper kind of guy. I like to just make my 200, 300 a day, like I've always said consistently. It's always about consistency. Just be consistent. I don't, you get the $1,000 a day, you get that euphoria feeling but for me, I just like consistency. If I get $200, and now with, you get tons of accounts, then you're done. Anyways, that's all I want to say about this video. And, all those indicators are there for free for you guys to use. So you can email me or whatever. And sometimes I don't watch my email for a while because I'm doing so many things right now. And just make sure you pinpoint your trades. Please trade safe. Try, don't use it as a gambling website. Remember, figure out a trade plan and try to be consistent. Other than that, you guys have a great day. And enjoy the beautiful autumn. Take care.